It's so easy. Louvers are about to fly off. So we got Travis Auto Detail, and they're actually gonna go ahead and detail the Focus over there. We have the bagged and boosted S550 over here. We're gonna go ahead and put in some more goodies from Dyna Performance. Got a couple of them laid out right here. So again, we're just gonna go ahead and replace some more of that red right there. Again, I'm not really the biggest fan of the red, but I definitely will leave some accents of it. So it's so hot out here in SenCal that this piece literally just came right off. This piece is a little bit in the shade, so not as easy, but definitely still coming off. And the other piece, which I kind of been hating, is this little piece right here that's been sticking out a little bit. And so I peeled off the vent, and I actually didn't get a replacement piece for that. However, it low-key looks just better without it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it off. And just like that, again, everything's coming off really easily. Very, very happy with that piece. Just throwing the pile right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull this piece off. This has been bugging me for a while because it kind of sticks out. All right. This one is a little bit more in the shade, but it is coming off. And there it is. Come on.
I'm fucking it up.
He's giving you credit now. Watch it.
One. It's so easy. You can even do it.
That looks fine, right?
We ended up putting the vents together, both sides, as well as a little piece right there where the Mustang symbol is. And we also topped off the steering wheel right here, so now it has a real nice combination, and I think a really good balance overall with that red to regular carbon fiber. Now time to go ahead and throw all this trash and garbage away. So we're actually at the meetup spot. It is the next morning. Car is looking so damn clean. These stuck on, very happy. These are actually for the rally pack for the event today. Super happy with that. So I'll go ahead and show the carbon fiber once we actually get there. But again, huge shout out to Chavez Auto Detailing. They went ahead and got down. This car looks amazing. We also got Estrella over here as passenger princess with the next baby right here on the way. Louvers are about to fly off. So we just parked up right now, popped the hood open. We got the Tesla parking right here. We actually got the Corvette over here. So now that we're finally all parked up, we go ahead and check out the interior. So again, a huge shout out to Dyna Performance. Super happy with the results. Right now, we're just gonna go ahead and do a little walk around, see what's up. So now we're actually on the stadium. Someone legitimately brought a horse out here. That's what's up though. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it, guys. So it's super hard to record because I don't want to get copyrighted, but damn, that thing's a beauty right here. Damn, man, this thing is super clean. Again, just trying to talk over the music so we don't get copyrighted, but sheesh. So this one was the winner of the two-step contest right here. Damn, so I had to check this out real quick before I took off, but sheesh. The full carbon package on this thing looks insane.
I'll put that in my garage. Hey, I got no room in it.
What's going in your car? Shout out to Joe, as always, killing it, as well as the beautiful Tesla over here. Sheesh. So right now we're actually just waiting. I'm coming back real quick to go ahead and jump start the Tesla real quick. Kind of ironic, right? American Muscle over here about to jump start a Tesla. So me and Estrella actually had to take off because we had to go pick up Ian. So we're not gonna go ahead and find out the ending to this story, but it does sound like there is a leak on the bag system there somewhere. Again, I honestly don't know. However, we definitely gotta take off. So hopefully everything works out for Brad. Fingers crossed. All right, so it's actually next day here. We made it back home safe and sound. It was a good day overall. However, we did take some L's. I did participate in that big boy race, as you guys saw. Came, I think, in 3rd place, something like that. However, that was the first time I ran in a long time, I ain't gonna lie, but we just wanted to do it to have some fun. And another L I took, I honestly forgot to put sunscreen on, so I'm like completely roasted right now. Hope it was a good time for y'all, whoever attended. But with that being said, I did want to go ahead and end the video off. Again, huge thanks if you made it all the way to this end. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and consider subscribing. It would help out a lot, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.